Hello friends, again, what's going on? Yes, the second video of the night. I know, what am I doing? Since no one's watching the other video I just put up earlier because YouTube's like, you know what, we're not gonna promote that, suck it. I thought, hey, we'll just talk about another stock that we've been putting some money into here lately, and that's Hlbz. Here we go. So right now we continue to fall with the stock. Last week we had a hot week in it. I don't need to go over that again. And the question is now, are we gonna have another run here on this stock? Now it's only Monday, not a lot to, clue wise to go off on. Volume was pretty terrible today, let's be honest here. We really didn't even make it out of the millions past 11 o'clock, so it was just kind of down in the dumps today. Now the overall market today was just not really doing much. I mean, there was not a lot that was getting attention. I think all the main focus on everything today went to Genius Group, which I made a video about if you'd like to watch it. Today the stock at a 30-cent range, it touched it, then it just started falling apart. We just couldn't have, there was just no support coming in whatsoever. The company has released still, and this is not really new news, this is kind of just more on what's going on here. Investors are responding to the announcement that the company has filed a proxy statement with the Securities and Exchange Commission to hold a special meeting of stockholders to seek approval for a reverse stock split of the company's Class A common stock. So the company is working on a reverse stock split right now, which will bring them into compliance with the minimum bid price of $1. Of course, it'll go up more than that. So quick rules on the NASDAQ. If you don't know, here's the black and white rule of what's going on here. To be on the NASDAQ, a stock has to be at least $1 for 10 consecutive days within a year calendar time. Obviously, this company is on the struggle bus right now. So a lot of what we're seeing though too is that, right now there's hope for a big push, that we could see a push on this before we have a reverse split. And obviously they're still having a meeting about it, so there's time is on the table here a little bit. Now, a reverse split, is a reverse split terrible? I've had good situations with reverse splits, and I've had bad situations with these reverse splits. Obviously, the main focus is to get the company back over $1 bid price. Now, there's some companies that we have seen do well with a reverse split, Sundial being one, Sundial Growers. Sundial went through a reverse split last year. A lot of people got caught up in it, but it actually has been improving the overall stock and health and movement of the stock. So yeah, it can do well. It could take some time now, but it's meant for a reason. Now, I have seen companies have reverse splits, and then it just keeps getting worse, and then we're in different kind of water. We're having a different conversation at that point. But we're a long way from that point. We're not even in that ballpark right now. So, the question still remains, will we see this stock run up again? Man, it's only Monday. We do not have volume to go off of right now. Hopefully it grabs the attention of short sellers still. But I'm not sure. I think it's going to do well when we see the overall market have a good day. Now, I expect the market to have at least one good day this week. Hopefully. The question is when is that going to when is that going to come in? Friday was an okay day in the market. It was better than Thursday. Thursday was a washout. Friday of last week, pretty good. So, starting off Monday wasn't a great day. And the surprising part is last Monday in the market was a really good day. I mean, I remember talking about it on here. It was like, whoa, what is going on right now? The market was just booming. Everything was moving Monday and Tuesday. But this week, obviously, that's a different tune, and this is what we're left to deal with. So, hey, it could mean the end of the week is going to possibly show some better numbers, and we could see something start to build here, see some stairs start to build into a 30 cent, 40 cent, 50 cent range. Maybe more, don't know, but I will say this, friends, if you don't want to get caught up in a reverse split, you don't have money to play around with, just go ahead and walk away right now, because this is not the stock to probably play around with, really not. So friends, with all that said, I want to wish you all the best of luck. Probably will be talking about this again as soon as something happens. If nothing happens tomorrow, then I probably won't talk about it, I'll talk about something else. But like I said, I really wish all of us the best of luck here, that we can see this start to do something, get us out of the trenches here. I think a lot of us would be happy with $1 and done, get out of Dodge and take our money and go. So we'll see what could possibly happen here, and we'll obviously hear more about this meeting that is coming up talking about a reverse split. So friends, all that said, I will talk to you very soon. Good night and bye-bye.